If you're looking for an affordable and easy to install faucet for your DIY project, this WEWE commercial style kitchen faucet might just be it. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet series. Hello and welcome to another video from our ShouldIT DIY series. This time we're installing the WEWE 80 series single handle commercial style kitchen faucet. Let's check it out. The faucet comes with very simple mounting components. Use the deck plate to cover the extra 3 holes in 3-hole installation. Here we're installing without the plate. Put on the main shaft, then put the main water hose on the 2 water supply lines through the hole. From under the deck, put the hose and supply lines through the rubber washer and the metal washer. Then use the black nut and tighten by hand until snug tight to secure the faucet. Use Teflon tape where necessary. Then connect the water supply lines and tighten with a wrench. Run water to check for leaks, and you're done. And that's how we install the WEWE AAD1805 commercial style kitchen faucet. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and donate if you'd like to send thanks. Share your thoughts with us in the comments and check the descriptions for more info. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you very soon.